What is happening to Bitcoin right now? Are we witnessing the start of a massive bull run that could send the price soaring to $200,000? In this video, I'll break down the biggest crypto news shaking the market today. You'll discover the real reasons behind Bitcoin's latest surge, what major corporations are doing behind the scenes, and why this moment could change everything for crypto investors. Stick with me until the end, because the insights I'm about to share could completely transform your strategy in the crypto world. And hey, if you enjoy staying ahead of the curve with fast, clear crypto updates, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Bitcoin recently smashed through the $106,000 mark, and this wasn't just a random pump. Two major global events helped ignite this surge. First, China slashed interest rates, pumping more liquidity into Asian markets. Second, the U.S. took a big regulatory step forward by approving the first stage of the Genius Act, which would reshape how stablecoins are regulated. These moves created a wave of optimism across the crypto space, signaling that we might be entering a new phase of sustainable growth, not just hype-driven speculation. This is the kind of setup that institutional investors dream about. And speaking of institutions, major players are making big moves. Japanese company Metaplanet dropped over $126 million into Bitcoin, raising its total holdings to nearly 6,800 BTC, more than El Salvador, the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Meanwhile, Strategy made headlines by acquiring an additional 7,390 BTC, worth over $760 million, pushing its total stash to more than 576,000 Bitcoins. These massive acquisitions show a clear trend. Institutions are treating Bitcoin like digital gold, an asset to hedge against inflation and long-term market uncertainty. But it's not just about hoarding BTC. We're also seeing explosive corporate activity. NASDAQ-listed DigiAsia just announced plans to raise $100 million exclusively to buy Bitcoin. The result? Their stock price shot up over 90% in a single day. This kind of aggressive move sends a clear message to traditional markets. Bitcoin isn't just a speculative play anymore. It's becoming a key part of corporate strategy. Companies are no longer asking if they should get in, but how much they should allocate. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Market analysts are turning increasingly bullish. Options traders are eyeing much higher price targets. And Arthur Hayes, co-founder of BitMEX, predicts Bitcoin could hit $200,000 this year. That might sound outrageous, but when you factor in post-halving scarcity, growing institutional adoption, and major legal advancements, it starts to sound a lot more realistic. All these signals point to a potential new supercycle for Bitcoin, one that could break previous all-time highs and redefine what's possible for the crypto market. On the regulatory front, things are heating up in a good way. The Genius Act, if fully passed, would bring much-needed clarity and stability to stablecoin regulations in the U.S., a move that could unlock billions in institutional capital. Add to that the easing of tensions between China and the U.S. with a new trade agreement, and you've got a global financial atmosphere that's more welcoming to Bitcoin than ever. Crypto is no longer operating in the shadows. It's becoming part of the global financial system. To wrap up, all signs point toward a powerful shift happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin is breaking resistance. Institutions are buying big. Regulation is catching up, and optimism is returning to the market. If you're already in crypto, now's the time to pay attention like never before. And if you're still on the sidelines, this could be your signal to start learning and planning. The next big move could be just around the corner. And when it happens, you'll want to be ready. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.